Say I have a burger business at the intersection you live at, and I'm doing extremely good as a business, which can be seen by my customer base, sales, products, popularity, and so on. Now, despite this success, I do have a problem, and my problem is that I'm looking to expand and open 5 branches that I'm confident will also be successful like this one. But my biggest hurdle is that I do not have the $250,000 that I will need to open them. My obvious choices are to ask money from friends and family, but they're not able to give me as much. So does that mean I won't be able to open the 5 branches? Not really, because the other option that I have is I can ask money from the general public, including yourself and the hundreds of our happy customers. It would be much easier this way because even if 250 people each gave me $1,000, I would have the $250,000 that is needed to open the 5 new locations. But before I approach you and the hundreds of our happy customers, I must think what I can offer in return, because of course you won't just give me the money for free, right? One option that I have is I could say for every $1,000 you give me today, I will give you 15% interest and return your money back in the future. In other words, I will give you $150 every year for the next 5 years, and at the end of the 5 years, give you your money back. This way you are compensated and I also get the money to expand my business. Attracted by this interest rate, if 100 people each give me the money, I will have the $250,000 I need. Win-win. And this is exactly what a bond is. A company trying to raise money and promising a certain interest rate and also promising to pay back the principal in the future. And all of these people that are giving me the $1,000 are basically buying bonds of my company. In summary, if you buy the bonds of US government or of Amazon, you are essentially giving them a loan or buying their bonds. A lot of investors have built serious wealth investing in different bonds, but not everyone is able to do it successfully because a lot of businesses don't end up doing well, which means you may not get the interest and might even lose your principal amount. Therefore, people instead consider investing with mutual funds or ETFs. If you would like to know more about them, I recommend you watch this video next. If you found this information valuable, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for future content updates. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.